Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Adobe Express for social media. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adobe Express is a fantastic tool for creating professional and engaging social media content quickly and easily. Now, here's how you can use Adobe Express for that. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the template section. All right. And from here, you might want to type in social media and press enter. All right. Now, once you press enter, you have like 68,000 plus results for social media. These are gonna be some of the options that you can choose. Obviously, just go down here and choose the template that best resembles and reflects your brand and identity. So you have all these, all right? Maybe we're looking for the just a very basic template that we can start our work, all right? Maybe how about this one right here? It's 14 seconds longer, all right? Let's click on it and we will be forwarded to this option where it says customize template, orange social media marketing trends, mobile video. Click on it. Now you would be forwarded here wherein this is going to be the timeline wherein you can scrub, all right? Now, and all of these are highly customizable, meaning, for example, this text, we can do something like that. Right, let's click on play. And we're going to add our own brand kit here. We have a separate video on how to use and apply brands to your designs to make all your logos and presentations consistent. All right, so let's do that right here. And I'm going to add another one here on the upload media. Okay, so that let's try to click on play from the very beginning. Let me just move the slider on the way here on the left side. Let's click on it. There you go. And of course, you can add again the brand kit here to make the logo consistent for all the pages. All right, so that. Go to brand kit again, upload that. Make sure we have it all across the slide presentation. So it's subdivided into this. All right, so this one goes here, and we're going to use the logo at the bottom. So we're kind of changing positions. For example, this. All right, click on play. That's going to be the final scene. And then we're going to put again our logo, but maybe this time we're going to put it at the back to make it like, send it to backward. The text should be now like a white, and then we're going to add an outline which is going to be black. Increase the thickness right here. All right, so we're good. We're going to drag again the slider all the way through here in the very beginning. Let's see if our elements blended all together. All right, so let's click on play. All right, as you can see, Adobe Express is beginner friendly with a simple drag and drop interface that requires no prior design experience, which is perfect for individuals or teams who want high quality results without mastering complex software. All right, you can access again a wide variety of social media specific templates for posts, stories, banners, and ads. Templates are categorized by platform. For example, if you're looking for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn, all right, ensuring optimal design and sizing. Now, for example, you are happy with this design. If you hover to the resize button, you have an option to resize this to different social media platforms such as Instagram, which is 1080 by 1080 pixel, Flyer, Instagram story, which is 1080 by 1920, TikTok video, which is 1080 like 1920. Same with Instagram story and logo. 500 by 500 pixel. Facebook post is 1080 by 1080. Instagram reel is 1080 by 1920. Poster, YouTube thumbnail, which is 1280 by 720, and web page. And of course, these are some of the popular social media templates that you can resize. Pinterest, Line, Snapchat, Twitch. For video, there's like the TikTok, Facebook story, and Twitter video. So there's a lot if you hover down below. So these are going to be your option, all right? But before we can resize, you might want to go to the download button first, because here you have so many options for you to be able to download this amazing social media template that you have created from scratch. You can use the PNG, JPEG, PDF, and MP4. For MP4, you have 3 options. You can download a 720 for draft, 1080, which is going to be the original size, and if you want the optimal and highest resolution, you might opt for the 4K. If you want to share this amazing design to your client, you might want to click the share button here. Just copy that link and send it to the only people that you have invited that can access. But if you want, anyone can access this link, especially if you're working with multiple freelancers or organization or team members. Just copy that link and make sure that they can edit or can comment. If you want to save a copy of this to your cloud, you have 4 options. Save it to Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox, and of course this option right here. All right. Now, if for example we're going to resize this to maybe a YouTube thumbnail, let's click that, duplicate and resize if you want, or you can click the resize button. It's up to you depending on the your preferences. As you can see, this is going to be the first one, and this is going to be the converted resize. All right. If you want to add more, you can also do that, and if you click on that, basically you have created a new design, and you have unlimited resizing options here. If you want to resize this now to a logo or TikTok video, you can also do that. All right. Although you can use advanced design features like filters, effects, and animations to make your content stand out. Basically, Adobe Express is really good for basic editing. If you want the more complex editing for your social media, you might want to use other platforms like Adobe Premiere Pro. But the pre-made templates and tools like this one saves you time while maintaining professional quality, which is ideal, especially for individuals or teams with tight schedules. And of course, the free plan includes many features, making it accessible for small businesses, startups, or creators on a budget. The premium features offer exceptional value compared to other professional design tools that you can look for on the internet. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.